Hello my beautiful glam style family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and I hope you're doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 extremely easy and glamorous DIYs for Valentine's Day. So without further ado, here it goes, a very glamorous DIYs video, a glam style. For the first DIY, I used one of these metal buckets from the Dollar Tree and I painted it pink. To cover up the letters, I used these hearts also from the Dollar Tree. These felt hearts come in 3 different colors, white, pink, and red. And from last year DIYs, I used this red glitter heart. This little container can be used in so many different ways, and here I leave you some ideas. For the second DIY, I used one of these clear candle holders from the Dollar Tree, one of these round mirrors also from the dollar store, this face fillers from Hobby Lobby, and you can also find them in the color pink. They come in 3 different shapes, a diamond, some lips, and a heart. For the third DIY, I used these 4 pieces of wood and painted them white. Then I used this gold metallic tape all around the rim of the coasters. You can find it on Amazon and I will leave you the link in the description below. For the letters, I used these old letters I had from the Dollar Tree and spray painted them pink. For the letter O, I used these wooden hearts from Hobby Lobby and added gold glitter to them. For DIY number 4, I used this hard wreath form from the Dollar Tree. This white fluffy ribbon from Michael's that I got at 70% off just because it was from the Christmas collection. For DIY number 5, I used one of this 8x10 canvas from the Dollar Tree, this red glittery heart from the same store, and one of the gold hearts we just made in the previous DIY. For the 6th DIY, I used this wooden heart that I got last year at the Dollar Tree and painted it white. I also used this pearl stickers from the same store. You only need 1 pack. For the final DIY, all you need is 1 Valentine's gift bag or a Valentine's card of your choice and your favorite frame. That's it for this video, my dolls. I hope you have an amazing rest of the week. Love you, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.